Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how this lock wig looks. I've been getting a lot of inquiries about this lock wig. So this is what it looks like. And it is a full lace wig. So let me flip it inside out so y'all can see what I'm talking about. There is lace completely around the whole wig. There are 2 combs in the side, 1 comb in the back. So it is lace completely all the way around. I do have the little braid right here in the front, and that is just so you can put down, you know, your own baby hairs or whatever you need. All right, I'm gonna just tighten the adjustable straps a little bit. All right, so I just tightened the adjustable straps like 1 notch, and now I'm about to put it, let me put it on this way. It's kind of heavy. It does have a full head of 36-inch locks on here. Let me line up my middle part and then I'll pull it down in the back. It is actually, it's actually really secure already. There we go. So this is all 36 inches of braid. All right, so this is the braid in the front, so you can have your baby hairs, and this is what it looks like. 36 inches, really long, really cute. Okay, so if you did not want to glue her down, you don't necessarily have to, but definitely cut off the lace around the whole wig. You have 2 combs right here and 1 comb in the back, and I would definitely say if you did glue it down though, you would be able to do, you know, all those updo styles and things like that. But this is it, you guys. She is on my website. She is on sale. Actually, this is my first lock wig that I've done, and she is on sale on my website. So if you want this wig, take advantage and go ahead and purchase her on my website. The link is in my bio. 36 inches of locks. I use the full 4 packs of locks on her. She is amazing. Woo, look at her, you guys. I am in love with this wig. Like, let me stand up so you guys can see how far down it goes. 36 inches, definitely just past my booty. I'm 5'8", so this is what it looks like. Lock wig, done and done. She is amazing. I am in love with her. So these soft lock individually, they're on my website as well, and all custom wig orders can be taken. If you guys want to email me, let me know, because I'm in love with this. So cute.